Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to check the oil in your Nissan Juke. First, make sure your vehicle is parked on a flat, level surface to get an accurate reading. Then, turn off the engine and allow it to cool down for about 10 to 15 minutes. This cooling period lets the oil settle back into the oil pan. You will also need a clean rag or a paper towel handy for wiping the dipstick. Now open your Nissan Juke's hood and secure it properly. Look for the engine oil dipstick, which typically has a yellow or orange loop handle. It is usually located near the front of the engine. Carefully pull the dipstick straight out from its tube. Take your clean rag or paper towel and thoroughly wipe off all the oil from the dipstick's metal shaft. This step is crucial for an accurate measurement. Once the dipstick is completely clean, reinsert it all the way back into its tube until it seats firmly. Make sure it goes in straight. Wait for a few seconds, perhaps 5 to 10 seconds, to allow the oil to mark the dipstick. Then, pull the dipstick out again, holding it horizontally to prevent oil from running. Now, carefully observe the oil level on the dipstick. The oil level should ideally fall between the two designated marks on the dipstick, often labeled min and max or with 2 dots. If your oil level is below the minimum mark, you will need to add about 1/2 to 1 quart of the correct engine oil. If it is above the maximum mark, it is best to consult a qualified mechanic to avoid potential engine damage. Regular checks help maintain engine health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.